Here are two DynamoDB exam patterns you'll see again and again: how DynamoDB teams up with S3, and what to do when you need to clean up or copy a table. First, DynamoDB items have a hard size limit, 400 KB, so don't store images or videos inside DynamoDB. Put the large object in S3 and store only metadata in DynamoDB, like product name and an S3 key or URL pointer. Second, use DynamoDB as an index for S3 objects. When an object lands in S3, an event can trigger Lambda to write metadata into DynamoDB: size, timestamp, owner, tax. Why? Because it's far easier to query DynamoDB than to search an S3 bucket. Now, table cleanup. Option 1 is scan everything and delete items one by one. Slow and expensive. Option 2 is usually faster and cheaper. Delete the table and recreate it, but remember to rebuild the schema and settings. For copying a table, think in 3 buckets: AWS Backup for a clean one-to-one restore, AWS Glue for ETL and transformation, or custom code using scan plus put item or batch write item, which gives you control but costs more effort. Last look at this diagram. Top is cleanup, bottom is copying. 2 DynamoDB exam essentials. Final exam recap: 400 KB item limit and pointers in DynamoDB, index S3 metadata in DynamoDB for queries. Scan and delete is costly, and backup or glue beats custom code unless you need full control. Final exam checklist: DynamoDB items max out at 400 KB. Store large files in S3, keep metadata and a pointer in DynamoDB.
Use S3 events to trigger Lambda and index metadata in DynamoDB. Avoid scan and delete, it's RCU and WCU heavy. For copies, use AWS Backup for one-to-one, Glue for ETL, or custom code if you need full control.